remember, it's exploration here, and if it's first time to my channel, please remember to give my video a like, please share and subscribe as people just chill on the beach, enjoying the sunshine, having a suntan, doing all the other stuff. Okay, Zara. Come on, then let's go.
Hey, I want to go to these. Want to show us a magic trick when we went earlier?
Come, we'll just go down there.
Come on, look out.
Mr. Man, that's too much sand. Can you bring that?
This is Tottenham. This is Tottenham. And this is also Tottenham. But it's the massive. All they got to do is build them up.
Go on, okay? Go on.
Daddy, I found something.
I'll show you.
I found a shrimp. It looks like a shrimp.
It's not a shrimp, it's a snail. Put it down.
No, it's not. It doesn't have a shell.
Clean water strolling down here in the Southend-on-Sea. Nice and cool. Oh no, people, I forgot my oysters. Ay, ay, ay. My wife distracted me, and I left the oysters out in the sea. Yes, people. So here I am in the British Isle, swimming in the sea on Southend. Where else would you rather be? Down in the sea. Excuse me, don't go no further out, please. That's enough. Yeah. To be honest, the water is absolutely freezing, as you would expect, but I feel absolutely blessed.
Test drive today.
Quiero yo hacerte el amor en la cama porque tú sabes que tú eres.
All type of people down here today, people. All type. Well, I remember these toilets from the last time. They're at Dinosaurus Cafe, the Dinosaurs Cafe. So just in case you get stuck for toilets and the others are crowded, Dinosaurus Cafe. Arcade games. fancy playing some arcade games, this is the place to be. Problem, I have no people that I'm running out of charge. Yep, people. So
Mom, you don't tell me.
just having a final ice cream here before I hit the road, people. Come on. Alright.
Quiero yo hacerte el amor en la cama, porque tú sabes que tú eres mi dama. Ey, tienes
Yes, people, one of the famous things to do at Southend is to get these sweets called rocks. There's some sweeties. My daughter gonna get. How much is it for one rock?
It's 350, so they're all along here, they're all marked.
Oh, okay.
She's gone for gold, like all kids do, but yeah, they're all up there, all marked up.
How much is it?
That one's 350.
350.
Let's say they start at a pound, they go up. So
Oh, okay, that's what you mean.
choice is yours.
Alright.
Oh, beautiful.
I'm just telling the people that one famous thing to do by the seaside is to buy these rock sweets, isn't it?
Well, apparently that's tradition.
Yeah, tradition.
Since the Ark of the Covenant. But doesn't mean if you don't eat it, you don't buy it.
Yeah. Do you accept card or just cash only?
Either or.
Either or.
Take both.
Alright, cool. Those toilets are a lifesaver. And they get full up quickly. Well, we're gonna head back to London town now. Hope you enjoy this place, Southend-on-Sea. As far as seaside towns goes, this one is on the up, always on the up. And I'm a bit upset because in Jamaica I live by a seaside town, and this place is maybe smaller than my town, and if they can do this at their seaside, boy, look on people. And we also have a marina. Quickly. As I was saying, if they can do that, they can do this at their seaside, then we must be able to do it at ours. loads of eateries, loads of good restaurants. Not too sure about the prices because we haven't been in. But good quality food. One thing I would say about Southend is that the waterfront needs fixing up. The parking. It's atrocious to get parking on this waterfront, people. Believe you me. Absolutely atrocious. So when we came, the car park by the marina here, which I think is called the West Park Car Park or something like that, was totally full up and is still full up, as you can see. Have a look. The good thing is that they have space that tells you there's no space left in the car park and direct you to alternative car park. But we managed to find this car park at the side, same place on the beachfront. This car park is run by a Chinese man. Just like a private car park, and he charged £12 for the entire day. What's the matter? Yeah, so this Chinese man, I don't know, charge a lot of money to park here. But what's the alternative? He's making some money when the marina is full up. Go just this way. This way. You can't go through there. If you notice, lots of Chinese people coming here to do the parking.
I will. Then I pretended to sleep for 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5.
I'm going to leave so I can get my space.
Oh, good.
If he can wait a couple minutes.
Wait, he's going.
Alright, let's go.
Where they are.
Right. Helen McKelly's gonna go in the lady. Okay, people, I'm gonna spend some family time now. Chill with the kids. Maybe build a sandcastle or two. You guys are enjoying themselves, eh?
Look at the spinner.
Don't walk into the latest thing. Mikkel, why do you put so much sand in there? You want Daddy to bring it for you? Oh, why? Here you go, Mr. Man. Here's your bucket. Alright, people. Over and out for now. With my 1 bar in my battery.
Daddy, look, I can make cubes.
Good. Live from Southend-on-Sea. We'll see you in a minute.